believe it or not, Matt Carroll, the owner of Sandocker Anchors, he says he will give everyone, regardless. You could do it right now. I will give everyone a 10% discount to Watercraft Journal subscribers on their orders. Just put in, like, you can put in, PWC Journal or the Watercraft Journal into like the discount code or into the notes, and he'll give you a 10% discount on a purchase. So if you don't want to enter to win a prize, but you want to order one right now, or if you got multiple skis and you want an anchor for each one, these are the official anchor of the Watercraft Journal. I've used these. Every guy who was at the Tennessee ride saw me using it. They all checked it out. They all saw how easy it was to use. All right. This is easily one of the easiest, best built, easiest to use, American-made PWC anchors. So I'm putting it in the box back over there. All right. So I'm not going to give that one away. So for everyone here, everyone who's listening to my voice, go to sandocker.com and pick whatever the hell you want that he sells and get 10% off using PWC Journal or the Watercraft Journal. Either works. All right. Watercraft Journal, one word, or PWC Journal, one word. And that will give you 10% off any purchase of anything that he sells. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.